Welcome to 1469 Atlas Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage here in Port Charlotte. Let's start off by taking a look at the neighborhood. Right now it's about 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Pretty quiet. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, your driveway has some really nice pavers. All the way up to your front door. Let's take a look inside. Throughout the home, it's got the same trendy luxury vinyl plank, and it's an open concept kitchen living area. Go to the left. Nice white shaker cabinets, dishwasher and sink on the island. The stainless steel fridge. Let's take a walk to the other end. This is your backyard. You can see how nice and private it is in the back there. This is a reverse view. There's the front door off in the distance. There's your island. And of course it's an eat-in island. Space for your bar stools and so on. To the right of the front door is bedroom number 3. As you can see, it's got a pretty large closet over there. From here we have the shared bathroom, bathroom number 2. Single vanity with quartz. Very nice styling. Back up. Bedroom number 2. Again, very sleek. And there is your another large closet over there. That's the front door. The open living space. It's a split plan, so your master is over here. Here's the master bedroom. All the windows are modern, nice, energy efficient windows. Keep that electricity bill down. And there's the master bathroom, which is almost as big as the master bedroom. It's huge. There's your toilet, huge shower space, nice double vanity with quartz, and of course the master comes with its walk-in closet. There's the master bedroom again. Back to the shared living space. Just before you hit the garage, there's your pantry, by the way, full-size pantry. Washer and dryer is inside the house, under AC. There's your garage floor, well done. Easily fit 2 cars in here. And in the corner is your AC and your water heater. And that's it for 1469 Atlas Avenue.